no, 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 no.
You join me for train robbery after a 60-second delay.
Whoa. That sucks. 10 spawn, 10 medic, 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 medic. He's hit, he's hit. That sucks, having them right outside our spawn like that.
After eventually getting to castle, I began setting up my defensive patrol.
Oh, no, 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 no. I think I hit your backpack.
Huge shout out to the guy being cool about the backpack shot and letting me get out of there.
Woo. Hit it. Nice. Tan medic!
After my bleed out, I joined my team in Iron Forge and pushed this boundary.
You move.
Oh, bro, you sling shot me right in the chest. I was ready.
What do we got?
Oh, shit. This is the best one.
Hit. Tan medic. You have a dead rag on your head.
I completely forgot.
You're all good.
I just got up.
Sorry. Tan! Tan! Give me a hand. Give me a hand.
Down.
Oh, it's 60?
Yeah.
Okay, sorry. I was trying to get you up. Are you good to medic?
Yeah, I mean, I'm still good to medic. But...
Here you go.
I have to be super cautious here as the enemy spawns to my left.
That double tap gun, I'm still taking that.
At this point, I have some good momentum, and I don't think the enemy quite knows where I am since I'm shifting positions so much. So let's use it.
Yeah, I'm hit. You got me. Hey guys, I'm just gonna go get my grenade. I'll come right back. Hey, I'm hit. I'm just getting a nade.
And by the time I got my grenade and walked back to respawn, the game was over, and my team absolutely destroyed as we didn't allow the enemy team to capture even 1 bar of gold. I will note that while my team had a 60-second delay to allow the enemies to get a head start on securing gold, I do think they shouldn't be allowed to push so close to our spawn. Like maybe they can only advance up to like the center of castle, so basically half the field. I don't know, it just felt sort of cheap and unfair to have enemies directly outside our spawn. But like mad respect to that player rushing that far up and having a solid ambush, just my opinion. At this point my team is now crushing the enemy as we held some objective boxes and won the defensive objective bonus points. I hope you all liked the video and the final part to the series will be up soon. Hope to see you on the field.